Good morning, it's Fran and this is Fran Toku Demo. And today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Z's DX Rider Capsule Set 03. So here's the box and we got here are the capsules, then Z's Paradigm Wonder, and on the back is everything that you want to know about it. On the side we got Z's and the capsules. On the other side we got the content, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let the mission begin. So first we have here is the barrier capsule, the second enhancement of the S-frame form. So it has lime green in color, and inside we got forming a shield. And now we bring back Z's driver, so let's give it a spin. Okay, so now we transform into S-frame barrier. So in this form, Z's equipped with two forearm shields that can block any attack. And when it combined, it will become impenetrable. So, and when he spins the capsule, it can create a barrier that can protect its inhabitants. And now let's do the finisher. Okay, so the second one. Now let's give it a little scan in the phone. Next we have here is the Wonder Capsule. It has a deep purple in color and inside is sizing up. And now we run it to the Z's driver and here goes. Henshin. Okay, so now we transform into Paradigm Wonder, the main of the Paradigm form. This form possesses otherworldly abilities, as Z's can change his body size, either turning big or small. I think I know who had that power. So, here goes the finisher. Alright, so here goes the second one. And here goes the scan. And lastly, we have the Gravity Capsem, the second enhancement of Paradigm form. It had a pale purple in color, and inside is a floating objects. And now let's run it again on the Zets driver. Henshin. Okay, that was deep. And now we transform into Paradigm Gravity. In this form, Zest equipped with two spear-like gloves, which looks so familiar, and able to control gravity like weightlessness, gravitation pull, and also can project gravity energy spear. So now let's do the finisher. Okay, so the second one. That's it for the DX Rider Capsem Set 03. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, mission over. Ciao.